Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, as you can see here, we've got some lovely pork. You can use pork chops if you want. I've used pork loins, simply fried with some olive oil, salt and pepper. And we made a very simple tomato, garlic and red wine sauce. Let's get on with it. Okay, so what I've got here is I've got 4 nicely cut pork loins. No bone in there, obviously, just a little bit of fat on there and the meat. You can use pork chops with this if you wanted to. Now what I've done, can you see that? On the fat, I've just cut it just a little bit there. That will help it or prevent it from curling up when we cook it. Very simply, we're gonna get some salt on there, some black pepper, and some olive oil. I'm just going to do the same on the other side, and then we're going to the cooker. Okay, so I've got a pan here, dry skillet. I'm going to just pick those up and drop them on. I'm going to cook these on a above medium heat for about 7 or 8 minutes. I'll be flipping them a few times. Okay, off goes the heat. And they look fabulous, don't they? Nice bit of colour on them there. We're going to fetch them out. We're going to let this just cool down a little bit, then we'll be back in the same pan. Okay, we're back on a medium heat, and I've added a little bit more olive oil there. 1 onion, chopped nice and small, or fairly small. Tablespoon of garlic, chopped. I'm using some dried thyme here, maybe a teaspoon. Salt. And then we're going to go black pepper. And we're going to go on this medium heat for about 4 minutes, moving all the time. Really nice, quick little sauce we're going to make here. Okay, so they're cooking beautifully. We're now going to go in with some chopped fresh tomato. 2 decent sized tomatoes there, cut nice and small. A nice glug of red wine. And then we're going to cook that out for about 5 minutes on this medium heat. We want those tomatoes to break down. And look at that, those tomatoes have broken down. The red wine's deepened the colour. Now, just grab your pork and pour in those juices that have now come out of that since it's been sitting there. Little bit of salt, little bit of pepper. That's fantastic. That's done. Off goes the heat. Okay, and there you go. Absolutely splendid. Really quite easy to make. Maybe serve that with some mashed potatoes or some kind of fries or something like that. Delicious. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. Just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on How to Cook Great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her Amharic or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those 3 things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is.
Really, really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe. Be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.